Pulling up to the hobby shop real quick. Gonna take this bad boy back in here. And we're gonna see what's going on with it. Let's get it. So we are here at the hobby shop. Getting it bench tested. My boy Jeremy. And gonna check it out, see how it goes. All right, got Jeremy here. Like I said, we can fix this, guys. We have an SLT 80 amp brushless ESC RX 3S vehicle. So we have a replacement. He's gonna go ahead and swap it out. I'm gonna let him do his thing. And then we'll cut the camera back on with the results. So we got the other ESC in. I'm gonna go ahead and give it go through the binding sequence. And then see what happens. Turn it off, turn it back on. I figured that part out after twisting the knob a few times. I think we got a winner, guys. We got a winner. Yeah, bad ESC. That's full throttle. Holding it down too, right? Because by now, that blue light would have came on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn, bro. You guys sell them? I don't know how many more you got. Replacement parts.
3 of them, I think.
3. So just heads up if somebody else buy one and come in here, you already know what it is. You know? But yeah, you guys, Jeremy saw the problem. Go ahead and button this back up, send me on my way. Let's get it. While he's buttoning that up, I decided to take a look at the tire rack just to see if they have anything belted that'll fit 14 mil hex. What are these? Those are 12. 12. I don't know. We'll see. Back to the cribbo we go. All buttoned up. Grabbing some of these on the way out. Appreciate you, Jeremy, for
Not a problem, man.
hooking me up, man.
One thing I wish they did a better job of that was like showing you how to route the wires for this thing.
All right, guys, we done made it back to the house. And, yeah. Freaking ESC. Play it out on your boy. Fresh out the box. So, shout out to Superstition Hobbies, you know, for taking care of me, swapping that out. Which is crazy is because that ESC costs $100. You know what I mean? And I don't know if you guys have paid attention, just overnight. Well, today is Friday, the 21st. Horizon raised all the prices on all their products. So, inflation is real. You know what I mean? So, if you're going to get some, you better get it before the price go up again. I'm just saying. With that being said, I was able to, so I did swap out the ESC. You guys saw that, which is great. So I'm going to get it outside and test it out. But before I do, I'm going to go ahead and put these bad boys on here. These trencher, belted, truck tires. These are 14 mil hex. So hopefully the 14 mil hex is in this bag. I may do a 17 mil conversion. And that was another thing with the Red Cat Valkyrie. They do come with 17 mil hex. I forgot to mention that in my previous video. So that's another plus for the Valkyrie, that the hexes are 17 mil already, which is dope. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and with the power of the vested in me, go ahead and put these tires on here. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and swap these tires out and then get it outside and take it for a quick rip. Let's get it. Wouldn't be me if it didn't glow. Had to. Big Rock. Trenchers, belted, tires. Now we can take it outside. Let's get it. I think these trenchers gave it a wider stance. Probably need to, yeah, for sure. Let me see. It's pulling to the right. So let's go ahead and back up out of there. Dashboard. Set the throttle. Let's see. Still pulling to the right a little bit. You can tell that. The DSC kicks in a little bit. It's nimble. I like it. Whoa. That's the cool thing about these longer chassis, that they don't wheelie as easy. And you throw on these wider tires, you know, you get better handling too. They trying their hardest to grip. This is cool. I'm digging it. I'm ready to take it to the park. Yeah, this ready. It's ready, guys. It's ready. Just dial in the steering just a little bit. And then I think we'll be ready to go. I think so. And see, with the DSC is set up on the D trim switch. And I still have to set up my drag brake. I haven't set up the drag brake on here yet either. Like I said in my previous video, I very rarely use the brake. I let the drag brake stop for me so that I can power slide and whatnot. But it's moving. This is on 65%. So if I bump it, no, I ain't gonna bump it. I don't want to wreck just yet. But I think I'm gonna fix these shocks, guys. I think they're a little too soft. As soon as you squeeze on it, the ass or the butt of the truck dips really low. Tires doing very well though. There he is. I don't know. So if I can turn this down a little bit. High DSC, medium DSC, low DSC. And that's what it said. I don't know how true that is. But it is what it is, guys. Real quick video. This clown. Yeah, that DSC is really helping keeping this bad boy stable. And these trenches is nice on here. And they are belted. I don't know if you could do this on the factories without them ballooning. I'm pretty sure you can, but you've probably been tipped over. But it is what it is, folks. Just want to do it. Look at that wheelie. Now that's on 100%, guys. And I probably scraped it up in the back. Standing wheelie. Let's see if we can get that one more time. One time for the one time. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Big Rock at it again. That's without a wheelie bar, guys. Ooh, safe. Nice little RC to add to the collection now that it's fixed. I'm gonna enjoy it. I know I'm gonna do a compare video with the Valkyrie, and I'm gonna bring out his big brother. So you guys stay tuned for that. That's coming for sure. But I got 2 or 3 more videos lined up already that I got to get out to you guys. With that Megalodon, I got some trio parts in the mail coming for that bad boy. I got my electronics for my Mojave just came in the mail today. So I will be putting that together this evening. Hopefully I'll get a video out to you guys tomorrow. And yeah. It is what it is, folks. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And for those who are going after these You know, do a full throttle squeeze test when you get it out the box. Fresh out the box, put a battery in it, and then squeeze it on 100% throttle for like 2 to 3 seconds and see if your ESC cut off. If it don't cut off, you're good. If it cut off, if you bought it online, you may have to put in a repair order. If you bought it from a store, take it back so they can replace that ESC. You feel me? It's your boy, Mr. Mitos, and I'm out. Peace and blessings. Gone.